Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Nathan Hiltzik, and I will be explaining how to use Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Okay, so to start off, as you see, I'm in my lock screen right now. Now, there are multiple ways you can do this, and Bluetooth is used to connect your phone with other objects. For example, headphones, AirPods, all these different things that you're able to do. So the first way you're going to be able to access Bluetooth is by swiping on the top right corner of your screen. Now, this little like arrow slash B looking concept is going to be a way they're going to be able to turn off and on Bluetooth. So that when it's white, that means that you are disconnecting Bluetooth. Therefore, you are not able to connect your phone with other objects that are Bluetooth compatible. And so what Bluetooth technically means is there's no wires that have to be involved. It's just two electric items from Apple that you're able to connect. So there's no wires involved. That's why Bluetooth is used. And so right now, so after when you're on this screen, when it's white, your Bluetooth is off. And when it's blue, your Bluetooth is on. And if you hold down actually on it, you're going to also be able to just a side step. Okay. So after this, you're going to unlock your phone as I'm going to do now. Then you are going to go to settings on your phone, however you're able to go. And so as you can see right here, it says Bluetooth. So what you are going to do is now what you could do is you're going to press on that. Okay. So as you can see, there are all these options on my phone for Bluetooth. So for example, this first one here is a speaker. And it says right next to it, not connected. Therefore, you are not connected. Your phone and the speaker are not connected. Or another example, AirPod Pros, again, not connected. So as you can see, all these are different items: speakers, headphones, AirPods, all these different things. So all these different things. So then after this, what you're also able to do is you're also able to turn off Bluetooth from here. So as you can see right here, you press this button right here. And this means that you're not able to connect anything because the Bluetooth is off. So this is the second option you're able to use Bluetooth. The first option, you're not really able to see and actually connect with something. That's just able to turn off and on Bluetooth, as I was showing before, this button right here. So right now my phone is off, but then if I press it and it's blue, that means you are able to compatible. But here you're not able to fully connect to it. Here you're just turning it off and on. So now I'm going to explain to how actually you could physically connect it. So now what I have is you're gonna press on that white button and it's gonna turn green. Now this means that your phone is discoverable. That means that other things are going to be able to connect to your phone. Okay. So now I don't really have an example, but all these here, what you're going to do is to connect it. You'll press on this right here. You'll press on not connected. And obviously the object that you have. So let's say if it's headphones, you'll be holding down a button that allows your headphones to pair. And you'll press on this not connected right here. After you press on it, it'll do a little loading sign. So I'll show an example right here with my headphones. So I have headphones, Apple headphones in my hand. You can't see them, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn them on. Okay. And then after that, you see how it's going to come up. So right now, these two things are compatible. Okay. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to press on Killer Hiltzik AirPod Max, which is what these are. And as you can see, it just turned connected. So now I am able to put on my headphones. They're on right now, and I'm able they're connected. As you see at the top right there, it just said AirPods Pro. So that means you know that they are connected. So it says connected there, and also on the above of your screen, it'll allow you to do that. So that's how you're going to connect headphones. And so now I'm able to listen to music. I'm able to FaceTime my friends, and I'll hear them on the headphones that I'm currently wearing right now. Now also, this is a little more complicated, but Bluetooth also enables you to connect to like your TV, your other phones. It's more complex than this, but this is the more simple. These are usually the main day type of uses, like as I was saying before, headphones and speakers, so all that type of stuff. Thank you for listening. This was Nathan Hiltzik, and I was explaining Bluetooth. And if you are interested in coming to our classes, go to mittlerseniortech.com. Thank you.